Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this Bear Force foam cannon. Typical adjustments here, and then if you want you could actually rotate so it's horizontal. If you see the fins here are horizontal and then they open and close. And you could go vertical like most people will spray a foam cannon. Open and close. Adjustment here, nice high quality brass. You could adjust there's a different size orifice that comes with it as well. Could always put a link in the description. Nice wide base so it doesn't knock over. I'm going to pre-rinse the car and then I'll show you how well it does. Alright, car's all pre-rinsed. Going back to the orifice, basically if you have a gas pressure washer with a high gallon per minute rate, you would need a different size orifice than an electric one, so it gives you both options. So I'm using an electric active 2.0. So without further ado, let's go. So this is the kind of foam you should expect out of a foam cannon like this. Very impressive, very thick, real nice. And this is just Meguiars soap, nothing crazy. My car is ceramic coated, so the soap does slide off quite easily. But the coverage is unbelievable. Covers super fast. I'm gonna finish foaming the car. And I'm going to use a brush, which everyone hates. It's a black car. My car does not have swirls. I use the brush. As long as the brush is clean and the car is clean and you don't have any debris, you're good to go. You don't have to take my word for it, but trust me, it saves a lot of time. So all in all, I gotta say this is a great product. I'll give a link in the description. The foam output is excellent, build quality is great. Nice wide base, just a great tool, a lot better than I had like a cheap knockoff one. This one is really nice quality for the money. Comes in different colors as well, but I opted to get the clear. I thought it was kind of different. But that's my review. If I had to choose again, I would definitely buy that foam cannon all over again. The foam output is excellent. As you can see, there's foam everywhere still. I got to clean up. Car's all dry. No swirl marks.